Now you guys know that I love my neutral colors, but in today's video I'm going to show you a little bit of a mix, some neutrals and some really bright, gorgeous pieces. I do like to throw in a few statement colors into my wardrobe, so that's what I wanted to show you today. Today I'm going to be showing you 2 different tops, 2 different dresses, and I'm going to style them each in 2 different ways. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Emily and I make fashion videos. I'm going to be sharing with you some really colourful, beautiful pieces in today's video, all from Verge Girl. Now, Verge Girl do ship all across the world, so yes, you can get Verge Girl shipped to you. If you spend a certain amount, you might get free shipping or free express shipping. All the details of shipping are on their website and I will link it in the description below. Now, I've got a little bonus. I didn't plan on doing this, but one of the dresses that I got from Verge Girl is actually too short for me. I'm 5'9" and it's just a little bit too short. So I've decided to give it away today to one of you guys. So listen out in the video for which dress that I'm gonna give away. This is available to anyone, anywhere in the world. This is such a gorgeous dress and I'm absolutely gutted that I don't get to keep it, but I would love to share it with one of you guys. So listen up for the giveaway and comment below. Everything that I'm wearing in today's video is linked in the description, as well as Verge Girl. Go check them out. They stock some really cute, affordable pieces. As usual, thank you so much for watching and please do subscribe, hit the notification bell. Happy styling. I'm starting off with one of my favorites, this beautiful 70s inspired pink cardigan. I am absolutely obsessed with these shoulders, but they're just the perfect little puff sleeve. And then it's got these cute little buttons as well. They're square shaped and they are like a marble kind of texture. I've paired it with some light blue jeans, some big gold hoops and some cute little kitten heels. Now I'm styling it a bit more casually with some white jeans and some white trainers. I've thrown on some cute little pink earrings as well because I love matchy-matchy. This cardigan is just like, oh, it's just so cute. I love it. I love the shape around the neck as well, how it's squared off. So the last outfit for this cardigan, I've gone a bit more dressy. I've popped on some heels, tied my hair back in a low ponytail, and then I've popped on some drop earrings. I love wearing red with pink. Red and pink used to be a big no-no years ago, but it's actually really acceptable now. For the next outfit, I've gone for a casual blue tonal look. I love this little cardigan. It goes with so many pairs of my jeans. It has intentional like holes between the buttons. That's like a feature. And the buttons are these cute little crystal buttons. I've thrown a couple of cute hair clips in my hair as well. I don't really have any rules with hair clips. The more the merrier. Now I'm changing back into my white jeans and white kitten heels, 2 items in my wardrobe that I absolutely love having, very easy to outfit. I think colourful tops are really easy to pair with white jeans. It just creates a nice blank canvas and makes it all about the top. If you're someone who's scared of wearing white jeans, it's time to face your fear. They are such a handy piece to have in your wardrobe and you really won't have trouble outfitting them. Well guys, here it is, the giveaway dress. It is such a beautiful dress, a gorgeous shape, great color, really nice material with a nice texture. It's got that kind of boho kind of feel, but it's sadly just too short for me. So I am wearing a size 8 and this dress retails at 89 Australian dollars. If you would like to win this dress, comment below, I want that dress. I will draw the winner at random in a week's time and I'll post it out to you. I love these black espadrilles with the dress. I think it's a really cute outfit. These shoes just suit this style dress to a T. The next dress is a pretty special number. I don't usually wear a lot of green, but when I do, I like it to be like a minty kind of light green color. That's just my preference for my skin tone. You know I love a tonal outfit, so I've popped on some green earrings and a green bag as well. I love anything in a ribbed fabric. It's just really comfortable to wear and super flattering as well because the ribs go straight down in a line, which helps to kind of elongate your body. And of course, I wanted to show this dress in a more casual way. I've popped on my Converse, some big chunky gold hoops. Probably my favorite thing about this dress is the neckline. It's a really beautiful cut, and the way the seams are cut on the shoulders just create a really nice shape for my body. I love wearing my favorite dresses on an everyday basis in just more of a casual way. It helps me get the most wear out of my special pieces. Thank you so much for watching, and happy styling.